Looks like we got something for the Corvette. This is in the garage. Let's go ahead and bring the Corvette in the garage and let's get started. We got the Corvette in the garage. So let me show you guys what we are going to go ahead and tackle today. So we are taking care of this splitter right here. As you can see, it's kind of broke a little bit. I mean, it's still kind of good, but well, I guess not. Look it over here. And then we're also going to go ahead and fix, as you guys saw before, we're going to fix this area right here. Maybe put the fog lights in even, and get this whole front bumper looking good. So for starters, let's go ahead and take this off, and then I guess we'll go from there. I guess after that, we'll take the chin spoiler off, rewrap this section right here, then we'll put this on. But let's actually open this first, see what it looks like. I thought this was all like tape. I thought it was gonna be like stuck. Oh! Alright, we got our splitter on the car. We also fixed this section over here. As you can see, no longer can see. Look, it's smooth, and we are good to go. So we got the splitter on, did the adjustments, and for the fog lights, I guess still have to work on that. But for right now, and tonight, we're done with this splitter. Looks good. I poked it out just a little bit, so it looks better. All right, let's lower it. Alrighty, we got the car down. Everything is looking good. Fix the bumper. We are looking really good. Literally the only thing we have to do left is put the fog lights in, and everything is back how it was. How we looking? How we looking? Looks good. We got the Corvette back out of the garage. Let's check out the front end, see how she's looking. Oh, she's looking good. Looking good. Like I said before, I still got to do the fog lights, but I plan on doing that. I have to get some screws that screw into the fog lights. I lost those, so I have to order some new ones. That's why I didn't get to put them in yet. So I gotta order those. It's like 3 screws on the bottom, so I have to order a total of 6. But that's about it. Everything else is looking good. Got the front bumper looking right. Let's get one of these angles like these. So tonight there's actually a car meet, so probably right after this clip, we'll be heading on over to a car meet. As far as the front lip and fixing up the front bumper and completing the entire car, now the whole car is complete. Well, except for the fog lights, but you get the gist. Oh, also, real quick, should I throw in a grill or should I leave it open like that? Leave a comment down below what you guys think I should do. Let's, I guess, head on over to the car meet. Alright, we are on our way to first car meet of 2023, and it is right down yonder over there. Look at that car. Wow. Looks like Aaron's old wrap. Alrighty, we have made it to the meet. See more people come. Got people over there too. BMW sounds good. We got Supras taking over this car meet. There's one right there. There's 2 sitting over there. 2 or 3 sitting over there as well. That new edge sounds pretty good. Pro charged and cammed, it sounds like. Supra with a parachute. Hell yeah. Supras on Supras. Got something coming in with a missing headlight. Or are his headlights just not even on? Oh, it's a Hellcat. Look at the Corvette just chilling over there by himself. Oh yeah, his headlights aren't even on. Another Hellcat, nice. It's clean. This is that Pro-Charged Mustang. Got the Hellcats over here just chilling. Just check it out. Look, the headlights. Blower. Hell yeah. This is that BMW. I said that sounded good. No wonder. Look at this thing. And we got more cars still rolling in. And another red Supra came in. Supra takeover. Do we have ourselves another Hellcat? Yes, we do. He's on a tire too. Nice. Somebody's Pro-Charged. Is that Sean? Sure is, yeah. Looks like the Camaro's running the Mustang. Oh, look at that minivan. Damn. Alright, we got to use the bathroom. And then while we're here at the gas station, there's actually an Audi R8 chilling right there. Alright, came back to the meet. We got another Supra. Oh, we got a C8 Corvette. Let's go check that thing out. That's Radon's C8 Corvette. Packed up pretty good. GTR. Wide body BRZ. And a C8. Radon's C8. Definitely get some black wheels, but that's about it. Alright, so I thought that was the red Supra from earlier, but I'm talking about the one over there. There's two of them. This car meet is officially a Supra takeover. There's that Ellis swapped Miata. Pretty badass. Got an Evo in the building. Let's check this thing out. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's hiding. Got another Evo. Sounds good. I like the wheels. What are these?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. Oh, wait, what? Oh, and that? There's that Audi R8 we saw at the gas station. That is loud. Don't tell me he's already leaving. Oh, a GTR. Everybody's going out to do some runs. Hellcat's going out too. Swap Miata. Oh, Oh, another GTR. Big wing gang. F-150 on a tire. Check that color out. Trackhawk on a tire. That's what I need to do to my Jeep. Just put a big old tire in the back. That thing is nasty. Digs only, baby. Got another Corvette C5. There we go.